What is the weather like where you are today? Hey, did you suddenly forget what to say? You understood the question, but you could only give a simple answer like this. It is nice. Or, it is hot. Do not worry. After this lesson, you will have 30 natural English sentences ready for real weather conversations. Welcome back to English 1314. Today is day 15 of our 30-day English shadowing challenge. We will practice useful sentences about sunny weather, rain, heat, cold, weather changes, and forecasts. Then we will use them in 2 natural conversations. Before we begin, let us quickly review how to do shadowing. First, listen to the complete sentence. Then repeat it and copy the rhythm, the pauses, and the feeling. You do not need to be perfect. Speak slowly and clearly. You will practice each sentence in 2 steps. First, you will hear the complete sentence. Then you will hear the same sentence in natural chunks. After that, you will have time to repeat the full sentence. Relax, take a breath, and let us begin. It is so sunny today. It is so sunny today. It is really hot today. It is really hot today. It is so humid outside. It is so humid outside. It is pretty cold today. It is pretty cold today. It is a little chilly this morning. It is a little chilly this morning. It is cloudy today. It is cloudy today. It looks like rain. It looks like rain. It is starting to rain. It is starting to rain. It is really windy outside. It is really windy outside. It is nice and cool today. It is nice and cool today. Great work. Now let us practice weather changes and forecasts. It is getting warmer. It is getting warmer. The temperature is dropping. The temperature is dropping. The clouds are moving in. The clouds are moving in. The wind is picking up. The wind is picking up. It cooled down a lot last night. It cooled down a lot last night. It should warm up this afternoon. It should warm up this afternoon. It is supposed to rain later. It is supposed to rain later. It should stop raining soon. It should stop raining soon. It is starting to clear up. It is starting to clear up. The forecast says it will be sunny tomorrow. The forecast says it will be sunny tomorrow. Very good. Now let us practice natural ways to start and continue a weather conversation. Nice weather today. Nice weather today. It feels great outside today. It feels great outside today. Can you believe this heat? Can you believe this heat? This rain came out of nowhere. This rain came out of nowhere. I did not expect it to be this cold. I did not expect it to be this cold. I hope it stays like this all weekend. I hope it stays like this all weekend. Perfect weather for a walk. Perfect weather for a walk. At least the rain has stopped. At least the rain has stopped. Weather like this always puts me in a good mood. Weather like this always puts me in a good mood. I wish every day felt like this. I wish every day felt like this. Excellent. You have now completed all 30 shadowing sentences. Now let us use the sentences you learned in 2 real conversations. We will role play together. I will speak first, and you only need to shadow the reply. Let us begin. Nice weather today. Yes, it is so sunny today. Yes, it is so sunny today. This weather is perfect for a walk. It really is, and I hope it stays like this all weekend. It really is, and I hope it stays like this all weekend. Do you have any plans? Yes, I am planning to have a picnic with some friends. Yes, I am planning to have a picnic with some friends. That sounds fun, but I heard it might rain this weekend. Really, I should check the forecast again. Really, I should check the forecast again. I hope it only rains for a little while. Me too, and we can still go if it clears up. Me too, and we can still go if it clears up. Great job. Now let us try one more conversation. It is pouring outside. I know, this rain came out of nowhere. I know, this rain came out of nowhere. Did you bring an umbrella? No, I forgot to bring one. No, I forgot to bring one. How are you going to get home? I think I will wait a little longer. I think I will wait a little longer. The forecast says it should stop raining soon. I hope so, because I do not want to get soaked on the way home. I hope so, because I do not want to get soaked on the way home. If it keeps raining, you can borrow my umbrella. Thank you. That would help a lot. Thank you. That would help. A lot. Wonderful work. You have just completed day 15 of our 30-day shadowing challenge. Today, you practiced 30 natural sentences for describing the weather, talking about forecasts, and starting simple conversations. Now look outside your window and write one sentence in the comments. For example, you can write, "Today it is sunny where I live." Replace sunny with a word that matches the weather where you live, such as hot, cold, cloudy, or rainy. Do not worry if you cannot remember all 30 sentences yet. Choose 3 sentences you like and practice them again today. Every time you speak out loud, you will respond a little faster and more naturally. Thank you for practicing with English 1314. I will see you on day 16 of the challenge.